Dental implants can become, a big decision for a lot of people. They are something that you have to consider many different aspects. But once you do commit to that and you do decide that dental implants are for you, what our team is able to do is we're able to sit down with you, we're able to go through your insurances, we're able to see what is covered, what costs will then come to you after that, and we offer you any type of support that we possibly can as far as planning for these costs that are going to come to you. Another option that we do have at our office, we do have the Care Credit, which is something that can offer you some no interest financing for a period of time while you're having your procedures done. As far as dental implants, when you have that placed, there are things that are sometimes in addition to actually having the implant itself placed or just the crown placed on top of the implant. Sometimes there are grafting procedures that need to be done so that the site is a proper site for the implant to be placed, and so you have the best possible prognosis with that. There is sometimes wait time with everything, and we have to plan that all into our treatment plan to make sure that we have everything the way it needs to be done so that you have the best possible outcome with your procedure. We will evaluate any insurance that you have to make sure that we're taking full advantage of whatever benefits that you do have through your plans. The main thing is that our office, we're here to work with you, we're here to get you through things, and we're here to help you get that smile that you really want.